Got a new tool to show you today. This is one of the brand new products from Durston Tools, and this is the new Durston Tumbler Pro, a brand new barrel polisher from Durston Tools. Let's get it out of the box and let's show you what it's all about. So these are the components. Nothing to it really. You've got your power supply, which is a dual voltage supply. You've got the drum and you have the metal base. Nice and heavy, nice and sturdy to go upon your bench. You've got two controls on the front. You've got a speed control and you've also got a timer and the on-off switch here. So yes, simple controls. You adjust the speed of the barrel and then you can adjust the time that you want the barrel to run for. So really it's as simple as that. The beauty with this barrel polisher is the capacity. The barrel will take 1.5 kilograms of the polishing media, the shot, with your items as well. The barrel is hexagonal as well, which I love. The usual barrels are round with little veins inside, but this is beautiful and hexagonal. It's got rubber on the outside of the rims here. That should help dampen the sound. It's got quite a unique fill-in area here as well. Some of the others rely simply upon a cap that goes over the ends that usually leaks, but this one has a cam feature here. So let's show you what we're going to do. The cam simply opens up like that, the bar comes out, the cam comes out, and with that you've got the hole to fill up the items and your media in. Now it takes around about 1 kilogram of shot, and that shot can be a single type or it can be a mixed shot. This is all available from Durston. We've got some shot here. This is around about 800 grams, 900 grams of mixed shot. You can see we've got a variety of little balls. We've got a variety of little planets or Saturn, whatever you want to call them, and also the pins as well. So that simply goes into the barrel. As I said, this is around about 800 grams, 900 grams. It will take up to about 1,000 grams, which is around about 1 kilogram of shot. Then we're going to need some water. And the water level, there's no markings in here, but you would need to put the water level to just over where your shot comes to. Got a kettle here and we just pour the water in until it just covers the shot. That's about 15 millimeters, 20 millimeters more than the shot itself. And the one other item that you ideally would need is some sort of soap. We use Barrel Bright. It's a burnishing soap. It helps in two ways. It helps the burnishing action of the media, the stainless steel shot, over the surface, and it also helps to protect the media, the shot as well, whilst it's in the water and afterwards. And we need roughly around about a teaspoon of that into the barrel, just like that. We've got some pieces to go into the barrel. Now there are some limitations of what you can put into the barrel. Ideally you want to put items in there that don't have any stones due to the tumbling effect of the barrel action itself. I got a mixture of chains, a mixture of rings. Some rings are textured, some rings are nice and plain, and we got a lovely chain to go in there as well. Lid goes on, nice and simple there, and we get the pin. It goes through. We put the cam in place like that, and now we can push the cam down, and that action will lock the lid, ensuring that no water comes out. Right, let's place that upon the base and plug it in. We turn the machine on, and now we can set the timer to whatever length of time. It is a mechanical timer. There are set divisions around the outside. I'm just going to simply turn it a quarter of a turn, and we can then adjust the speed. Again, it's got little divisions around here. I wouldn't advise you have this going too slow. I wouldn't advise you having this going very, very fast, because what you want to do is for that action of the shot to become tumbling over. Too fast and it's just going to be spinning and spinning and missing the work that is inside the barrel. Too slow and it's not going to have that nice tumbling action about it. So we can turn this. We're going to turn it until we get a nice action, a nice rotation, just like that there. We can see the action of the hexagonal barrel. It's coming along and it's pushing the shot, the media, over onto the items that are now within the foam. If you have it too fast, it's not going to give a good action. Have it too slow, and it's not going to do an awful lot. So somewhere in the middle is going to be ideal. Also, the barrel will not fall off because it is held in these grooves here. So there's no way that barrel is going to come off. If you want to make it a little bit quieter, you can always put a towel underneath here to keep it off the surface, and that will help deaden the sound as well. So let's carry on with this. Give it around about 10 minutes, we'll come back and we'll take a look. So that's been going just over 20 minutes now, and you can see the barrel is full of soap. And that is the reason why you don't want to put more than a teaspoonful of the Barrel Bright, the burnishing soap, into the barrel, because if you have too much of it, it will actually foam up and it could force its way out of the seal. Although I must admit, the seal, very, very good. Not one leak at all. Okay, so as I said, 20 minutes. Let's put that to one side. And let's have a look. Now, you can always pour the water through a fine strainer, like a plastic sieve, to catch all the shot and the items and save the water. I usually keep the water for a few months. I always put the water back in the barrel with the shot because the Barrel Bright has some chemicals in it that actually protects the steel shot, the stainless steel shot, and actually prevents that from rusting. So let's open this up, take this out. I'm going to put my hand inside here and pull out some of the items that I have put in here. That is lovely and shiny. There's a lot in here. Something else, wow, that is looking good. Yep, another couple of rings there. A ring there. Yeah, this isn't the best way to get the items out of a barrel. It is better to pour it through a nice close plastic sieve, and then you'll be able to get everything out. And you can see everything that you put in. So these are some of the few items that I put in 20 minutes ago. And I shall show you now. I'll give you a nice quick close-up of what we've got. As I said, this is a mixed shot that we put in here. Little balls, little planets. Well, there's another one there. Little planets, and we've also got some of the pins as well. So let's have a quick look and to see how they do. Oh, they are shiny. I must admit that they are really, really bright. The chain has come up absolutely fabulous, even between the links here. It's all looking absolutely fantastic. This was really quite badly tarnished. This was a ring we made up on At the Bench many years ago, and that is looking beautiful. The textured ring, it's really got into that texture as well, and that is looking absolutely fabulous. Even the inside, it's been cleaned as well. This was a bi-colour ring, silver and gold, and again upon that, that is looking clean. Yeah, I'm really pleased. In fact, there was a ring there that we cast with some stones in. There were some sapphires in that and a diamond, and that is looking brilliant. So yeah, these were literally just put in. We just simply buffed these pieces, and they are all looking absolutely fabulous. So all in all, I think it is a brilliant machine. I've only just selected a few items here that needed to be polished, but the barrel can take 1.5 kilograms total weight. That's like a kilogram of shot and 500 grams of your work. And I think the capacity is amazing. It's got a 2-hour timer, although I wouldn't suggest you run anything for 2 hours. Put it on for 20 minutes. Check it after 20 minutes. If it needs to go back in, put it back in, and you should not have any problems with this at all. The barreling action is brilliant. It's got the hexagonal drum, so as it comes over, it pushes the metal as opposed to just rolling over the plain drum or just rolling over the fins. So it's constantly being pushed and pushed and pushed, which gives it that better burnishing action. And overall, I think the Durston Tumbler Pro machine really does work well. Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely delighted with the chain. It has come up a treat. So there we go. That's all about the Durston Tumbler Pro machine, available now from Durston Tools. All the specifications are going to be down in the description, including the price as well. Variable timer as well on it, so you can go away, come back, set in the timer, and it will stop after a set amount of time. And I think it's absolutely fabulous. Quiet in operation as well. As I said, if you want to make it that's a little bit quieter, you can always put perhaps a towel or a piece of sponge underneath it just to dampen the sound. And with that cam action lock upon the lid, there is no chance that that is going to leak. So overall, an absolutely brilliant machine. I may have actually changed my opinion now with regards to tumblers. So there we go. A very quick review. My name is Andrew Berry for At the Bench's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'd absolutely love it if you did so. Share it with your friends if you like it, and go and check out all the links are down in the description below. Take care. Bye-bye.